Hello friends, I hope all you are safe and healthy. Today I will show you how to make another project of home automation. See, I make many projects of home automation continuously. In this project I make home automation with the help of IR remote. IR remote means remote which has IR light. For example, the remote of TV, remote of AC, remote of speaker. In this project I use IR receiver. The IR receiver is TSOP 1738. It is a IR receiver module. It receives the IR light. You can also make remote control car with the help of the remote. And you can control anything with the help of the remote. I use this remote to control our home appliances. Let's see the parts required. Arduino Uno. You can also use any Arduino. 2-channel relay module. You can also use more than 2 channel if your application is more. TSOP 1738 IR receiver. This is IR receiver module. 5-volt buzzer. A breadboard. Some jumpers wire. AC appliances. AC bulb and AC fan. You can use any AC fan or you can use any appliances. This code decode all the IR values from the remote. For this, first of all, include this library IR remote.h. This is library of IR receiver. This line of code means I connect the IR receiver to pin 2 of the Arduino. It create the objects. This decode the values from IR receiver. First of all, serial.begin, initially serial monitor, and this is IR underscore recv dot enable IR in. It start the IR receiver. Now we going to while loop. Inside the while loop there is a if condition. If IR receiver dot decode inside this and result, then it show the result in serial monitor, and the result is in hexadecimal value. After this it resume, means it receive the next value. Upload the program. C program is uploaded. Now go to serial monitor. And see, these are the random values of the infrared, because there are various infrared rays out from the sun, and many infrared rays are also from the mobile phone. Now we decode the hexadecimal values of the button. See, if I press the plus volume, see, this is the code. See, this is the code E0 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 1F. Copy this code and now we press this button, minus volume button. See, copy this code also. Now press canal up button. See, copy this code E0 E0 48B7. Now press this button, canal down. See, copy this code. Now press this button, ch list, and copy the code. Now press this button, mute button. Okay. And copy this code. Copy these code and paste into this code. Let's see the final code. First of all, we need to initialize the IR receiver library, IR remote.h, and we need to initialize the two pin 6 and pin 7. These pin connected to the relay. When fan is directly connected to relay. We can also say that these two pin of a fan and the bulb. This is the buzzer pin, mean buzzer is connected to pin 5 of the Arduino, and this is the IR pins, means IR receiver is connected to pin 2 of the Arduino. It creates the object, it store the result from IR, it start the serial monitor. I connect these in output mode. It start the IR receiver. See, if this condition is happen, then it show the hexadecimal value. This is the switch condition. It read the IR value from the remote. This is case first case, this is second case, this is third case, this is fourth case. If I press the button of the remote and the IR receiver read this hexadecimal value, means it turn on bulb. If it read this hexadecimal value from the button, then it turn off bulb. If this read, the fan is turn on. If this read, the fan is turn off. If this read, it turn on buzzer. If this read, if this hexadecimal read, the buzzer is turn off. And after that, it receive the next value. See, first of all, I turn off these. Press this, turn on this relay. Press this, turn off this relay. Press this button, turn on this relay. Press this button, turn off this relay. Press this button, turn on the buzzer. When I press mute button, turn off the buzzer. See, if I press this button and this button, it turn fan, bulb and buzzer. See, I turn off this and this. Now we connect our AC appliances to the relay and control our home appliances. You can see there are many random IR values, means these values are coming from maybe from sun, maybe from mobile. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries regarding to this project, then comment below, and after that I answer your comment. Always wear mask, follow social distancing and stay safe.